In today's video, we're going to share all about the Grand Hyatt Abu Dhabi Hotel Emirates Pearl. We will show you a comprehensive room tour, the incredible views, all the amenities and dining experiences. We booked part of our stay with Hyatt Privé, which gives you additional benefits, but we ran into a technicality that prevented us from fully enjoying all the benefits of the program. Stay tuned to see what the issue was and how you can avoid it. We began our journey to the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Abu Dhabi with a seamless door-to-door transfer from the Hyatt Regency Dubai. When we arrived, the staff greeted us enthusiastically and assisted us with our luggage. The front desk staff was great and even escorted us to our room. We had booked a standard room, but were lucky to receive an upgrade to a suite located on the 36th floor. The view from our balcony was absolutely breathtaking, and the room was incredibly spacious. Apart from the king bed, a crib and a rollaway bed were provided to fully accommodate our family. Now let's look at the bathroom. The ensuite bathroom featured 2 sinks, a toilet stall with a bidet, a separate shower stall, a standalone deep soak bathtub, and a walk-in closet. The bathroom was fully stocked with amenities including the Balmain brand. In addition to the ensuite bathroom, there is a separate bathroom with a sink in the living room area. Since we booked through the Hyatt Privé program, breakfast was included with our stay. This is also the case for Globalist members Hyatt's top-tier status. Breakfast is served buffet style at their restaurant Saha. As you can see, there's something for everyone's taste. Near the lobby, you can find the Pearl Lounge with views of the pool and the marina. They offer a la carte dining, drinks and afternoon tea. We'll get back to that later in this video. The pool is beautiful with several lifeguards on duty. There's a shallow kids pool and even a small beach area which your 3-year-old loved. Next to the pool, there's an Italian restaurant Verso, where we got lunch a couple of times. here's a look at the gym with the most gorgeous views, especially at night. Apart from the gym, there's also a relaxing steam room. One of the highlights of our stay was having access to the club lounge. During cocktail hour, the lounge offers high-quality bites and desserts, as well as complimentary soft drinks and alcoholic beverages. Apart from the amazing spread, service was outstanding and personal, which we really appreciated. If you can, definitely add this to your stay. Now let's go back to the Pearl Lounge, and this is at no fault of them, but when you book through Hyatt Privé, you often receive a property credit which you can use on site. We wanted to use the credit for afternoon tea at the Pearl Lounge, but we used it on a day where we switched between two different reservations. One made through Hyatt Privé and one made using free night certificates. We assumed we could use the property credit until 4 p.m. the usual late checkout time, but were told differently at checkout, so we ended up paying out of pocket. Lesson learned. I shared this so you won't make the same mistake as we did. Now here's how we booked our 6-night stay at the Grand Hyatt Abu Dhabi Hotel Emirates Pearl. We booked 4 nights in a standard room through the Hyatt Privé program. You pay the standard rate but receive additional benefits such as free breakfast, room upgrade when available, late checkout upon availability, and the property credit. Then we added 2 nights using free night certificates that we got from using our World of Hyatt credit card. You could also use points to book, but at the time the cash rate to point ratio wasn't that good, so we decided to book via Hyatt Privé and save our points for another stay. Before we arrived, we emailed the hotel and received a complimentary upgrade to a suite, which was incredible. We absolutely loved our stay at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Abu Dhabi and would definitely return. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. See you at the next hotel. Bye!